think sometimes we need to return to these places to look back and see people we call family.
In a world where we are constantly bombarded with challenges, stress, and negativity, finding genuine happiness can sometimes feel elusive. But what if I told you that happiness isn't as far out of reach as it may seem? In fact, science shows that small, consistent habits can make a significant difference in how happy we feel. Today, we're diving into the top 3 habits to feel happier. Simple, yet powerful habits that anyone can adopt to bring more joy and contentment into their daily lives. 1. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is one of the simplest and most impactful habits that can drastically shift your outlook on life. When you practice gratitude, you intentionally focus on the positive aspects of your life, no matter how small they may seem. It's about acknowledging what you already have, rather than fixating on what's missing. Why is gratitude so powerful? When you take time to appreciate the good, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals. Over time, these small moments of appreciation compound, shifting your brain's focus from negativity to positivity. How can you practice gratitude? Start with a simple daily routine. Each morning or before bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't need to be grand gestures or life-changing events. It could be as simple as enjoying a cup of coffee in peace or receiving a smile from a stranger. The key is consistency. By doing this regularly, you'll begin to train your mind to notice the good things in your life more frequently. Research shows that practicing gratitude can lead to better sleep, reduce stress, and even stronger immune systems. In fact, a study conducted by the Journal of Positive Psychology found that people who wrote gratitude letters felt happier and more satisfied with life, even after just a few weeks. 2. Engage in regular physical exercise. Exercise is not only good for your body, but it's also a powerful tool for boosting your mood and mental well-being. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals that trigger a positive feeling in the body, similar to the effects of morphine. Why does exercise make us feel happier? Physical activity reduces the levels of stress hormones in your body, such as adrenaline and cortisol. It also stimulates the production of endorphins, which act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. These combined effects help you feel more relaxed, focused, and overall happier. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to experience these benefits. Simple activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or even practicing yoga can provide a significant boost to your mood. In fact, a study published in The Lancet Psychiatry found that individuals who exercised regularly had 43% fewer poor mental health days compared to those who didn't exercise. How can you incorporate more movement into your day? Start small. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity a few times a week. You can break it up into shorter intervals if needed, like taking a 10-minute walk during lunch or doing a quick stretch routine in the morning. The important thing is consistency. The more you move, the better you'll feel, both physically and mentally. 3. Cultivate strong social connections. Humans are inherently social creatures. While we live in an age of digital connection, the quality of our relationships often matters more than the quantity. Strong, meaningful social connections provide a sense of belonging, emotional support, and contribute significantly to overall happiness. Why are social connections so essential for happiness? Numerous studies, including the renowned Harvard study of adult development, have shown that individuals with strong relationships tend to be happier, healthier, and live longer lives. Close relationships act as a buffer against stress, helping you navigate challenges with the support of others. Conversely, loneliness can have detrimental effects on both mental and physical health. How can you strengthen your social ties? One of the best ways to foster stronger connections is by being present and making time for the people who matter most. It's not about having a large group of friends, but rather investing in a few deep, meaningful relationships. Make it a point to regularly connect with family, friends, or even coworkers, whether that's through a phone call, grabbing coffee, or simply checking in on how they're doing. If you feel isolated, consider joining a group or community that shares your interests. Volunteering, joining a sports team, or even attending local events can help you meet like-minded people and create new connections. Building and maintaining social connections doesn't happen overnight, but the effort is well worth the happiness and fulfillment it brings. Happiness isn't something we can chase or purchase. It's something we cultivate through intentional habits and choices. By practicing gratitude, engaging in regular physical activity, and nurturing strong social connections, you can begin to experience more joy, contentment, and overall well-being. Remember, happiness is a journey, one that starts with small, consistent steps. Adopt these 3 habits into your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to feeling happier, healthier, and more fulfilled.